for Wake County, southwestern Franklin County, until 4 p.m. At 3:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fuquay Varina, or 9 miles south of Cary, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Cary, Wake Forest, Garner, Fuquay Varina, Zebulon, Bunn, Apex, Holly Springs, and Morrisville. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for central North Carolina. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin and Wake.